said bye to our friends Jim and Ann, and heading north because it's getting a little warm down here in South Florida. So we're like on to a new adventure.
Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
You can let it go. Time is up, the lights are going down. I know you have something to do before you leave town. A last goodbye and one last wish for you, that you learn to see or you can let it go.
Traveling in our new dinghy at night for the first time. We got our lights, one on either side, green's on that side, and blind you by showing you that one back here. I'm probably moving it around way too fast.
Well, we pulled into Palm Cove Marina in Jacksonville, Florida. We're going to be here about a month, and after that we're going to the boatyard in St. Mary's, Georgia. So we're here waiting for an opening there, and we've got a long list of things to do between while we're here and once we get in the yard. We've got 31 projects that we hope to achieve. It's ambitious, I know, but we're gonna give it a go. So long, I forgot what they look like.
They look like keys.
Just like that. Doesn't look like a key to me.
You're used to a key for the dinghy or for the boat.
Yeah.
Not car keys, right?
I don't know how many months it's been since I drove that car.
Well, we'll sell one.
Yeah. Let's go get it.
Alrighty. It's a little windy out here, but this is Frederica Yacht Club next to Morning Star Marina. Just going down to say hi to some people. Y'all look good in your matching green shirts.
It wasn't planned. Yes, yes.
Hi. Parsley pink spoonbills feeding. So we drove up to from Jacksonville to Brunswick to get our second car. We're wanting to sell one of them, but the second car, not the one we're selling, but the one we're keeping, the battery died, and the jumper we have only had 25%. So we are stuck here, and the storm is rolling in. Thunderstorm, not a tornado or anything like that, just a heavy thunderstorm. Hear it? And there comes the rain. I'm feeling it now. We ended up having to go and buy a new battery for his car to get his car started.
So the first project we get to check off our list is mounting some more of these solar powered lights. We've had 4 of them on the boat. I'm adding 2 more. We like these because they light us up at night when we're at anchor, make us more visible to the small boats that are out at night fishing. We want our boat to be visible, so we install these little lights around. They're just solar powered and they work great. Project number 1 complete. When I built the settee, I made a mistake. Yeah, I know, I do it. I did not drill the holes for the shelf pegs before I assembled the entire settee. And so once it was assembled and I tried to drill the holes, I couldn't get the back holes far enough back. So they're off-centered. Both holes on one side are towards the front of the shelf. As a consequence, this particular shelf rocks. You can see it rocking. And so when we're on the hook, particularly, and you know the boat is just rocking back and forth, and it's even worse if there's a storm and we're being rocked quite a bit, this shelf would just sit here and rock, and all the cans on it would be bumping against the back, and it'd drive me batty. So today I'm going to fix that problem. Since I can't drill the holes any further back, what I'm going to do is replace the current pegs that are there with wooden braces. So I'm going to put a wooden brace right here and on both sides, and the shelf will sit on that wooden brace, and that should prevent the rocking. I'm just going to attach the wooden brace with this Loctite. It's a super glue. It bonds instantly. You only have to hold it for 5 seconds and it's there solid. So that way I don't have to clamp, which would be hard to get inside this already prefabricated settee. So hold it for 5 seconds, it's there solid, and it'll hold the shelf just fine. And now it's fixed, so in the future it shouldn't be rocking and waking me up in the middle of the night. When I built the settee, I had to leave access holes in the back of it to be able to get the stuff that's back behind the settee. This one never got filled in. I just hadn't gotten around to it yet until now. I take every opportunity I can to make the engine quieter so that it's more enjoyable for everybody. But Marie spends a lot of time underway down here in the cabin, cooking, cleaning, doing stuff like that, while I'm enjoying the scenery up above. It's really quiet up on the flybridge. I rarely hear the engine anyway, but she hears it constantly. So I do everything I can to try to keep the engine quiet. We're going to cut some soundproofing material to put on this panel so that when I install it in the hole, it will have a little extra soundproofing. Another project done. When I first built the cabinet for our refrigerator and installed it, I didn't think about the fact that from time to time you've got to get to the back of the refrigerator to clean it. And this thing is not easy to get in and out of that cabinet. It's not on any wheels. So today I'm going to cut an access hole on the back side of the wall that this refrigerator is backed up to. And that way we can just take the access plate off and periodically clean the back of the refrigerator. So that's my project now. And now hopefully we have enough ventilation for our refrigerator so it'll work properly. Refrigerator vent, check. Another project done. We have been making good progress on our list, so we decided to take a day off. It's Memorial Day, and our daughter Jolene and her husband Charles have come to spend a little time with us, and we're gonna go get something to eat and then explore a little bit in our brand new dinghy.
We were made